Hello my dear student of class 9. Through this video, I will continue the third chapter of the French Revolution. The third chapter name is France abolishes monarchy and becomes a republic. First of all, I will clarify the chapter title France abolishes monarchy and becomes a republic. Abolish means end. Monarchy means a type of government which is run by any ruler or king. And republic means it is also a type of government where people elect the government, including head of the government. It means it was a time when France abolished the monarchy and now France becomes a republic. Student, you know that due to the Constitution of 1791, which was drafted by National Assembly, the power of King Louis XVI was shared or divided. Several powers were given in the hand of people of France, willingly or unwillingly. The power which was shared from the hand of King Louis XVI to others, but King Louis XVI was not ready to accept it in whole. That is why, just after the sharing of his power through the Constitution of 1791, King Louis XVI started to negotiate with two countries, Prussia and Austria. Means with the help of Prussia and Austria, King Louis XVI wanted that whatever condition is running in the France in the favor of commons or third state, it should be abolished with the help of Prussia and Austria. But this project of King Louis XVI was failed. Why? Because before that, the National Assembly declared war. Means before taking the help of Prussia and Austria by King Louis XVI, the National Assembly declared war against Prussia and Austria. It was the time when thousands of people, joined the army and they projected themselves as a patriot, and each and everybody, those who were in army, were singing a type of patriotic song, and the song name was Marseillaise. Actually, this particular song, Marseillaise, was composed by Roger de l'Isle. Means the song, patriotic song, Marseillaise was composed by Roger de l'Isle, and further it became the national anthem of France. Now you may see earlier the condition of King Louis XVI was declined due to the French Constitution of 1791, and now due to this war which was declared by National Assembly against the Louis XVI and Prussia and Austria, it also declined the power of King Louis XVI. Student, I want to tell you that when the war was going on at that time or during war in France or in French society, various political clubs were established. These clubs were established to discuss the government policy, or you know who were the members of these clubs? Those who were ignored by the King Louis XVI. For example, those who were poor people, those who were less prosperous, women and others. And in these various political club, political club was very important at that time, and that political club name was Jacobin Club. Name was Jacobin Club. This club started to discuss the policies of government, and the members of this club started to form their good situation in France. Means how can we do our best. And in these clubs I have told to you, Jacobin Club was the main club, and it was led by Maximilien Robespierre. It was led by Maximilien Robespierre. Student, I want to tell you, the members of this Jacobin Club, march towards the palace of King on 10th August 1792. They destroyed the King Palace, and after then National Assembly called the State General, or voted in the assembly for what? To punish or to imprison the royal family related to King Louis XVI. The condition of King Louis XVI was very poor at that time, and you may see that the condition which was emerged due to this condition or due to this position of France, no doubt the condition of King Louis XVI was worst. Meanwhile, a new election held, and it declared France a republic. France a republic, and King Louis XVI with his royal family got imprisonment. Now you may see, on 21 January 1793, King Louis XVI executed publicly. Executed publicly means King Louis XVI was hanged publicly. And now it abolishes the monarchy, and now France became a republic. If you will discuss these all things, that now power was in one hand earlier, but now power is in various hands. It means the monarchy was coming to republic, and various important terms, equality, liberty, justice, this all were given importance in this particular time. Student, I want to tell you a very important thing. The reign of terror is given. इसको हिंदी में बोलते हैं आतंक का समय. And this particular reign of terror is related with the year 1793 to 1794. This particular reign of terror was established by Maximilien Robespierre, who was the main leader of Jacobin Club. Means just after the abolition of monarchy, just as France becomes a republic, the power goes in the hand of Robespierre, who was the leader of Jacobin Club. No doubt, he brought various important rules and regulation, which was based on equality, and it was told that no one will suffer by anyone. no one will be discriminated. He rationed the shop and he fixed the prices of the grains and other important things so that the poor people will never suffer by some others. But everything was good in the time period of Robespierre, which was from 1793 to 1794. But you know very well, his rules and regulations were good. But at that time, he followed a policy of severe control. Severe control means those who were the enemy of the Republic, French Republic, they all were punished or guillotined. Here I want to discuss with you the term guillotined. The term guillotine. Actually, the term guillotined is derived by a word guillotine. It is a type of device having blades from one side, and it was used to give punishment those who do wrong deeds against the Republic, French Republic. Student, I want to tell you, the name of this device is guillotine because it was introduced or invented by Dr. Guillotin. Student, I want to tell you some severe control of Robespierre. He passed harsh laws. Laws were very tough. There was no system for the change in this harsh law. Peasants were forced to sell their grain at fixed prices in the cities. And after then, finally, the rule which was brought by Robespierre just after the King Louis XVI, the rule was good, but it was followed by Robespierre with very hard, you may see, very hardly. That is why finally Robespierre was punished by cold and he was also guillotined. Now you may see the condition of France. If you will discuss the condition of France, earlier the power of France was in the hand of King Louis XVI. After then, this power went in the hand of middle classes, and this power was also described by the French philosophers. And after then you may see how the monarchy of King Louis XVI abolished and how the France become a republic. But this particular idea which was brought and followed by Maximilien Robespierre, he himself was not fit for his own idea. His control was very severe, and that is why he himself was punished and guillotined. So according to this explanation, I will ask two questions. Explain the role of Jacobin Club in the French Revolution. Means the Jacobin Club which was established by Robespierre, whatever rules and regulations were followed by Robespierre through Jacobin Club, you have to write about this question. And the second question is that why is the period from 1793 to 1794 referred as the Reign of Terror in France? Explain. These are the reasons through which 1793 to 1794 is observed as the Reign of Terror. You have to write these in the second answer. I hope you understood the video, and I hope that you will write the answer of these two questions. Thank you very much.